river, or another body of water. Cities with their network of storm sewers, canals, and rivers are also catchment areas. We all live in a catch. We all live in a catchment area. The water that is used for drinking is for the rivers or reservoirs in the catchment area. The types of land use farming or urban development and the asso- associated
Associated.
associated activities have a direct impact on the water quality on the of the catchment. For example, the clearing of trees will result in the greater amount of sediments into a river system.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Abir, can you continue reading?
Careful management of the catchment area ensures that the water quality remains at a healthy level. Most countries have catchment area management plans to maintain the quality and supply of water. In some countries, the catchment area is a part of nature reserve where activities are limited and closely monitored. This is to ensure that there is as little pollution as possible so that the water that drains into the reservoir, river systems, or underground aquifer is good quality. In urban catchment areas, it is even more important to monitor the types of activities as industries and households contribute significantly to to pollution of water. In
Okay,
a
thank
land
you.
scarce country such as
Thank you.
Singapore,
Thank you, beta. Yes, Hamza Ahmad, start reading. Okay. Aban Asif, can you continue reading, beta?
Yes. In a scarce country such as
In a
Singapore, for
land
example,
scarce country.
scarce country such as Singapore, for example, every drop of pollution of water is channeled into the canals or rivers. Measures such as solid waste management, soil erosion management, and cleaning up of waterways ensure the water collected in the reservoirs is reasonably clean are
Implemented.
implemented. Polluted water would require more purification before it is suitable for
And
consumption. With careful management of the catchment areas, more water can be collected and less of it is wasted.
okay. So, this is all about ensuring water supply. Okay. A catchment area, a water catchment area means that area of land where all the water flows to a single stream, river, lake, or ocean. Okay. So this is known as the catchment area where all the water flows into a like from all of the city. The water is collected and it flows into one single stream, one single flow. Okay. For example, the drainage system, it is also catchment area क्योंकि सब जगह से जो है पूरा drainage पानी आता है और वो it goes into one flow and it goes into the sea in the end. So it is one flow or one stream of drainage water. Then cities with their network of storm sewer canals and river are also catchment area. Okay, we all live in the catchment area. The water which is flowing, fresh water or the water which is supplied to the city or to the people to use for the daily usage, it is also a catchment area. Okay, basically जो different streams पानी की of the water, different streams of water, be it clear or not clear, so these are known as the catchment area. Okay. Achha, now what they are saying that the types of land use for farming or urban development and the associated activities. Farming ho gayi ya urban development. What are the activities of urban development? Can anyone explain that? Can anyone uh, tell an example? First of all, the urban
Yes,
development.
can you repeat question?
Urban development, the activities of urban development which in which the water is required. देखो, वन इज द फार्मिंग. ओके, फार्मिंग के लिए हमें वाटर चाहिए, विच इज क्रॉप्स जो ग्रो करते हैं, या इफ वी टेक आउट द, if you wash the crop, if you wash the fruits or vegetables, then these are the activities, farming activities, for which the water is required. Now, the activities of urban development.
For
If you
drinking industries with
for
agriculture.
एग्रीकल्चर तो हो गया ना बेटा, फार्मिंग का.
Yes,
अर्बन डेवलपमेंट.
population growth.
हाँ, पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ में पानी हमें कैसे चाहिए? फॉर
For
बेदिंग,
drinking.
for drinking, and for cleaning stuff, and one other thing is for construction. In construction, water is also required. So these are the activities of urban development in which the water is required. So um, the cleaning of trees will result in greater amount of sediments into the river system. This we have discussed earlier also, that if the trees will be cut down, then a lot of sediments or a lot of soil will be flowing with along with the water. Okay, so um, the management of the careful management of catchment area is very much necessary to ensure that the water quality is good. Okay, how we can do that? That's it. जैसे पानी हम रिजर्वायर में जमा करते हैं, जो लेट्स सपोज इफ कराची सिटी को पानी जहाँ से आ रहा है, अगर हम उस जगह को साफ रखें, ओके, कवर्ड रखें, उसको जो है क्लीन रखने की कोशिश करें, तो क्या होगा कि क्लीन वाटर विल बी अवेलेबल फॉर ऑल द पीपल टू यूज दैट. ठीक है. अच्छा, if we are not keeping that area clean, so the people will get sick, and the clean water will not be available for the people or for the population to use that. Okay, so careful management is very much necessary to have the fresh water, or to have the clean supply of water. Now, in some countries, the catchment area is a part of nature reserve, where activities are limited and closely monitored. What does this mean? Nature reserve. Okay, we are saying that freshwater stream, rivers, these are the freshwater streams. Okay, so to reserve those areas, to reserve the nature of those areas, the activities are monitored. Like जैसे यहाँ पर अगर हम देखें लाइक मरी वगैरह में और इस साइड पे जो लोग जाते हैं, सो इफ़ दे थ्रो लिटर ऑन ऑन दोज एरियाज, तो वो पूरा पानी जो है वो गंदा होना शुरू हो जाएगा आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. ठीक है, तो कुछ कंट्रीज में इस कैचमेंट एरिया को, द फ्रेश वाटर एरिया को नेचर रिजर्व रखते हैं कि बिल्कुल नेचर के करीब करीब रहे. ठीक है, यानी वहाँ पर ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ को या तो लिमिटेड कर देंगे, या उसको इतना मॉनिटर करेंगे कि कोई भी वहाँ पर लाइक लिटर ना कर सके, गंदगी ना फैला सके. आर यू गेटिंग मी? इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर टू यू ऑल? ओके, सो these activities are limited and closely monitored.
What is the page number?
जी बेटा. So now why we monitor the activities closely? To keep the water fresh and to ensure that the little pollution is to done, so that water into the drains and reservoirs or the river system will, or the aquifer will be as much clean as possible. यानी जितना भी पानी हम clean कर सकते हैं उसको हम clean करने की कोशिश करते हैं. ठीक है. Now the other thing is that now in urban catchment area, it is even more important to monitor the types of activities, as industries and household contribute significantly in pollution of water. They are saying that industries and household contribute significantly to pollute the water. ठीक है, मतलब contribution जो household का और industries का है, that is just to pollute the water, right? और ये किसी तरह से सही भी है, क्योंकि इंडस्ट्रीज क्या करते हैं कि वो अपना वेस्ट जो है, दे जस्ट थ्रो दैट इनटू द, जो भी उनके आसपास रिवर होता है, तो दे आर थ्रोइंग दो दैट वेस्ट इनटू द water stream, or whatever water they are getting. Acha, one thing which is getting more common day by day is the have you ever heard about the boring? बोरिंग का पानी, बोरिंग क्या होता है?
मिस जमीन से पानी निकालते हैं.
जमीन से पानी निकालते हैं. ठीक है.
Yes.
सो अब what the industry is doing nowadays is that they are doing the reverse boring. Now what is reverse boring? Yes, Aris, what is reverse boring?
मिस जमीन से पानी निकल है वो रिवर में जाए,
दोबारा बोलिए।
जो जमीन से
नहीं
पानी निकल वो सारे रिवर में ऐड होता है।
ओके, यस अरीज, यू वांट टू से समथिंग? नो, ओके, एनीवन
मिस
एल्स? यस।
मिस रिवर वो जो जमीन से वो जब पहले जमीन से पानी
वाटर पंप।
निकालते हैं बोरिंग में, लेकिन बोरिंग में गंदा पानी डाल देते हैं, जमीन के अंदर
मासूमा,
पानी डाल देते हैं।
रिपीट अगेन मासूमा।
Miss, I was saying that in simple boring they always put the they वो हमेशा पानी जमीन से निकालते हैं, और लेकिन जब वो रिवर्स बोरिंग कर रहे होते हैं तो वो पानी जमीन के अंदर डालते हैं।
How did you come to know about this? It's
मिस क्योंकि
absolutely
रिवर्स
correct.
है ना,
It's absolutely correct. बिल्कुल सही बताया आपने, ठीक है। Boring is taking out the water from the ground. Reverse boring is sending the water to the ground. अब now they are not sending the water, they are sending the pollution to the ground. जो उनका industry waste होता है, they are sending those into the ground. Okay, so this is the reverse boring, which in return is destroying the land. ओके जो भी केमिकल है वो लैंड के अंदर डीप डाउन इन द लैंड जो है वो वहाँ पर सब डिपॉजिट हो रहा है, जमा हो रहा है, और फिर क्या होता है कि उसके बाद आपकी जो भी
भाई जमीन के नीचे जो पानी होता है लैंड नहीं होता पानी, जमीन के
दोबारा
नीचे पानी होता है, उसमें पॉल्यूशन ऐड नहीं हो जाएगा।
बिल्कुल यही तो हो रहा है, ना सिर्फ जमीन के नीचे पानी में पॉल्यूशन ऐड हो रहा है, बल्कि जो भी क्रॉप्स को द वाटर विच दे आर यूजिंग इन द क्रॉप दैट इज आल्सो गेटिंग अफेक्टेड। ओके, because either if we are supplying them, if we are giving them the fresh water, the land is not pollution free, because the chemical is there deep down into the land, which is over there by the factory deposit. Okay, so this is one thing which they are doing right now, and the people are working on that, and they are trying to control this, but still it is going on. Okay, और इनको जो है बहुत ज़्यादा कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, awareness is not that much on this thing, but still some of the people are working on that they have to make the awareness so that this should be stopped. Okay, one thing is that. Another thing is that now they are telling about that in urban catchment area it is even more important to monitor the activities, and in the land scarce countries such as Singapore. What does land scarce means? That the shortage of land in Singapore, land is very short. Okay, so they are trying to make that country pollution free. How pollution free? That every drop of water is getting channelized. They try to preserve that, even if it's mosque, they try to preserve all the water which they are taking throwing after, जो वुजू करने के बाद जो भी पानी होता है उनको वो पूरा कलेक्ट करते हैं, and then they are like उसको they are trying to get it clean, or they try to get it clean and try to use that in the crop for the crop purpose, ठीक है, for the agriculture purpose. Okay, so this was about those in which the water is getting channeled from the rivers or canal. Now to measure the solid waste management system, or the cleaning of the waterways to ensure the water collected in the reservoir reasonably clean are implemented. Okay, cleaning the water is very much necessary, and it is being implemented by Singapore government, you can say. Now polluted water would require more purification. You know, if we want to preserve the water, if we want to use the water and it's polluted, then what we should do? What should we do if the water is polluted? Either we want to clean that water, or we should clean that to use that before using. Okay, so careful management of the catchment area, more water can be collected and less of it is wasted. Okay, just to use that water, it should be managed properly before using it. Now page number 39, desalination. What is desalination? Yes, Hadia Imran,
Yes, miss.
start reading.
Desalination is the removal of salt in seawater through distillation or using membrane filtration. This method has been used on ships and submarines for a long time. In distillation, the seawater is heated and allowed to cool. The water vapor condenses to form fresh water. In the membrane method, water molecules are forced through a semi-permeable membrane.
Permeable.
Permeable membrane. The salt molecules cannot pass through the membrane and are left behind. What comes through the membrane is fresh water. Desalination has been gaining popularity, but it is expensive as it involves expensive equipment and has high energy requirement. Much energy is needed to evaporate the seawater in the distillation method. The membrane filtration method uses slightly less energy, but its cost is still high for many countries.
Okay, so desalination is the what saline. Have you ever heard about the word saline? No? Okay. Any one of you or any person or in your home is using are using lenses? नहीं? किसी ने कभी जो है घर में किसी को भी कजन को इसको लेंस यूज करते हुए नहीं देखा? ओके, ठीक है?
Miss,
मिस कौन सा लैंग्वेज
देखा
कैमरे का चश्मा
जो
मेरा
लेंस
मिस
लगाते हैं ना फॉर
मेरा
द
मिस यहाँ पर भी है
यू कैन
colored
सी
eyes.
Nice.
हाँ इन द आईज कलर्ड लेंस हो गए या ये जो
मम्मी को देखा मिस
मिस मिस उसको लगाने का ग्लू होता है ना सलाइन.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
किलो नहीं होता
यस
मिस वो
Masoma is again right. The liquid which they use to clean those lenses, it is known as saline water. Okay, उसका नाम ही saline है और different भी आते हैं companies के नाम. But that is the saline water. The saline means salt, salty water. ठीक है? saline solution होता है, drips भी होती हैं जो कि saline normal saline की drip लगा दो. कभी किसी ने God forbid के अल्लाह में आप लोगों को hospital वगैरह का experience ना करवाए, but saline water की drip लगती है. That is also the drip in which salts are added. So saline is anything related to salt. Now desalination is de taking out, okay, taking out saline, taking out salt. Okay, so what is desalination? Is the removal of salt in seawater through distillation or using membrane filtration. ठीक है, दो method होते हैं, either you distill the water or you filter that water. Now to filter that water you need special membrane, special permeable membrane which is a little bit expensive. ठीक है, but उससे पानी जो है you get a lot of clear water, the salt remains behind and what goes through the filtration through the membrane is the fresh water. Salt रह जाता है ऊपर in the filtration और fresh water जो है वो आपके पास आ जाता है. But now these methods are used on the ships and submarines for a long time. ठीक है, submarines और ships में जो जाते हैं they are not taking the fresh water this much कि भैया उनके पास fresh water किसी तरीके से वो use कर सकें. They try to use the water from the ocean, from the sea. Okay, how they use those water? That water is by the help of desalination, distillation या filtration. Okay, now distillation is that to heat up the water. ठीक है, सॉल्टी वाटर को आपने हीट किया, ठीक है, व्हाट रिमेन्स बैक और रेजिड्यू वाज व्हाट रिमेन्स एज अ रेजिड्यू इज सॉल्ट. ठीक है, जो वाटर इवेपोरेट होता है दे कलेक्ट दैट वाटर एंड देन दे like collect that in another container or something like that. So then they use that water. This type of process they are using in Dubai also. They try to use that water, the salty water, but it's very expensive. Okay, and the water vapor condenses to form fresh water after the heating process. Okay, now in the membrane method water molecules are forced through a semi-permeable membrane. The salt molecules cannot pass through the membrane and are left behind. So desalination has been gaining popularity, but it is expensive as it involves expensive equipments and high energy requirement. Okay, the energy which is required to do these two processes is very high and it is very expensive. So that's why it is considerable that in future maybe I've discussed that in the class also, that maybe in future there would be some method by through which they can use the sea water, but up till now it is, you can say, in the pipeline. Okay. So the membrane filtration method uses slightly less energy, okay, but it is very costly. Still, it's very costly. Now, page number 39, figure number 4.8. It's a desalination plant in Perth, Australia. Okay, in Australia, they are using the plant to desaline the water and to take out the fresh water or the water from the salty water and to use that. You can see that it's a very, it's on a very huge area. And okay, conservation, reclaiming. अच्छा जी जी next. Whose turn is next, beta? Okay, BB Astra, she's sharing the point in the chat box. Whose turn is after BB Astra?
Miss my
Yes, continue, beta.
In the membrane method, water molecules are forced through a semi-permeable membrane.
Good. Next. Who is next? After Ali Sheikh.
Management of the
Miss,
catchment areas
it is my
ensure
turn.
that the water
Yes, continue, beta.
मिस कैमरा बंद करके चढ़ ले तू
Khuzaima. Okay, Khuzaima is not here with us. Next. Whose turn is next?
Miss Mai.
Yes,
With
continue.
careful management of the catchment areas, more water can be collected and less of it is wasted.
Next. Ji beta, who is next? Come on, remember
Miss
your
me.
turn. Yes, Abdul Sabur, share the point.
Most countries have catchment area management plans to maintain the quality and supply of water.
Good. Next.
Miss, my net is not working.
Filtration method uses slightly less energy, but its cost is still high for many countries.
Good. Yes. Come on, hurry up.
Miss, can I share?
Yes, Khuzaima.
Carefully management of the catchment area ensure that the water quality remains at the healthy level.
Good. Ali Sheikh, have you shared your point? Shalom. Now who is left? Shazeb Asif.
The membrane filtration method uses slightly less energy, but its cost is still high for the many countries.
Good. Next.
Much energy is used. Much energy is needed to evaporate the seawater in the distillation method.
Good. Yes, Aman. You have to unmute yourself, Aman.
Desalination has been gaining popularity, but it is expensive as it involves expensive equipment and has high energy requirement.
Good. Yes.
In some countries, the catchment area is a part of nature reserve where activities are limited and closely monitored.
ठीक है. Okay, ji. Anyone who got any extra point, you can share now.
Miss,
Ji.
most countries have catchment areas management plan to maintain the qualities and supply of water.
Good one. Yes, Bibi Astra, you want to share another point? You can share it now.
Miss, this is to ensure that there is a little population as possibility so that the water that drainages into the reservoir river system or or the underground equator is good quality.
Okay. Anyone else who want to share the point?
Miss, may I?
Yes.
The membrane filtration method use slightly less energy, but it is still high for many countries.
Good. Good. Yes, baby
Yes.
Astra.
This polluted water would require more purification before it is suitable for consumption.
Excellent one. Yes, Mohammed Ayan.
Desalination is the removal of salt in the seawater through distillation, or using membrane filtration.
Okay. Now, one question. Uh, how many methods of desalination are there written in the
Miss
booklet?
two. Miss two.
Okay. Name them.
Yes.
Miss filtration and distillation.
Desalination.
Filtration and distillation. Okay. Which one is the with less
Filtration.
energy?
Filtration.
Distillation. Distillation.
The one
Filtration.
with less energy.
Filtration.
Membrane
Filtration.
filtration.
Miss filtration.
Filtration.
Distillation.
It means that the one with the higher energy is
Distillation.
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 okay. 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 Okay, beta. This was all for today.